guys, it's Jennifer here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Halloween themed t-shirt for your kids. You can even create this for yourself depending on what you want to do. But what I'm going to do is go to Creative Fabrica. I do have a yearly pass with Creative Fabrica. I believe it was offered sometime last year for a very, very low price. So I did go ahead and purchase it because a lot of the graphics that they do have on here is something that I really enjoy. Especially when I don't really have time to design something for myself because, that takes a lot of effort. I'm gonna go ahead and put cute ghost because I'm looking for something cute related to a ghost to put on the t-shirt for my daughter. Like this one's super cute. I'm looking for, ooh, this is really cute too. I want to keep it very simple, so what I'm gonna do is specifically look for maybe I'm going to specifically look for an SVG file because usually with the SVG file you can play around with the different layers, change the colors, and all that good jazz. This was super cute. I'm wondering if there's a ghost with a cat because my daughter really, really loves cats. All right, I'm seeing some designs. Oh, I specifically like this one. It's very simple. There's a ghost, a little cat. Obviously, there's lots of people that added this to their favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and download this project. My canvas is gonna show up. Go to upload. I already have the file uploaded, so I'm gonna select that, add it to my canvas. You really want to measure out your t-shirt to figure out what the size that you want the graphics to be. I am going to actually make this 10 by 10 just to make it simple. I want it kind of big. I apologize right here. I believe my audio got cut off, but essentially what I'm going to do here is kind of show you how you can break down the SVG file into multiple different layers. And when you break down these layers, you can definitely change the color of your choosing, but in this case, I'm gonna just keep it very simple and make the image black. All these together and hit unite. What that's gonna do is group my image together, so when I click make it, it will go in one layer. Just make sure that you unite all the images of the SVG layer together, as well as making sure that the color is all one color so that it will show as one image. Next, you're just going to connect it to your maker, choose popular and select vinyl. And then you're going to follow the second step, which is to load the material and hit the button that they inform you to hit to start cutting out the project. So here I'm just pulling up the image that I need to follow when I'm removing the vinyl so that I'm actually getting the image that I want on my t-shirt. Slight problem here is that I don't know where my tool actually went when it comes to peeling these things, because my kids have been hanging out with my craft room and they may have just played with it and misplaced it. So here I'm just trying to utilize my hands and hopefully peel it at the right area. So after you have peeled the vinyl, do is place a transfer tape right on top of it. And here what I'm doing is folding the image as well as the shirt in half, so I know exactly where to center it. I'm just truly eyeballing it at this point because a lot of my tools are missing, and hoping and praying that this is gonna work out perfectly. Here, I'm just gonna peel the transfer tape with the image on it slightly and try to place it in the center before actually placing the full image onto the shirt. Alright, that's it y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys actually try this out, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear some feedback.